In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the nested if function in Google Sheets. To get started, open your Google Sheet and click on the cell where you want the result to appear. This is the cell that will display the grade or outcome based on the value you're checking. Before typing anything, make sure you know which cell contains the score you want to evaluate. In this example, we're using cell A2. Now begin typing the formula by entering equals if. Then open the first condition like this. A2 greater than or equal to 90, followed by a comma, and then the result you want returned if that condition is true. Which in this case is, at this stage, your formula should be checking for the highest tier first. That's important because nested if formulas work best when you start with the top condition and then move downward. Next, in the value false part of that first if function, insert a second if function. This means that if the score is not 90 or higher, Google Sheets will move on and test the next condition. Type another if, then check whether a 2 is greater than or equal to 80. After that, add a comma and enter. As the result if that condition is true. What you are doing here is creating a second layer inside the first formula, which is why it's called a nested if. After that, provide the final fallback value for when all the previous conditions fail. In this case, type failed. This tells Google Sheets what to display if the score is below 80 and doesn't meet either of the earlier conditions. A fallback value is important because it completes the logic and prevents the formula from being left unfinished. Once all parts are in place, close all the parentheses at the end of the formula. Since you use two if functions, you need two closing parentheses. The finished formula should look like this when typed correctly. Equals if, open parenthesis. A2 greater than or equal to 90. Comma. A. Comma, if, open parenthesis. A2 greater than or equal to 80. Comma. B, comma, fail. Close parenthesis. Close parenthesis. Take a moment to double-check your commas, quotation marks, and parentheses. Because small typing errors can cause the formula not to work. When everything is entered correctly, press Enter, and Google Sheets will return the appropriate result based on the value in A2. Thanks for watching.